Hello everyone, welcome back. If you want to make real money with Amazon KDP, you need to understand one thing. It's not just about creating a book. It's about choosing the right category. Most beginners make a big mistake. They publish their book in high competition categories and then wonder why they get zero sales. Let me show you a smarter approach. For example, take the animals category. This is a growing niche with steady demand. If your book sells around 100 to 200 copies, you can reach a strong bestseller rank in certain subcategories. That means more visibility, more clicks, and more sales. Now here's where it gets interesting. Amazon has main categories like art and photography, history, electronics, and plants and animals. But the real opportunity is inside subcategories. These subcategories often have lower competition and targeted audiences. If you pick the right one and combine it with proper keyword research, you can rank much faster. Instead of competing with thousands of books, you position yourself where demand already exists but competition is lower. That's the strategy smart publishers use. So before you create your next book, spend time researching categories and keywords.